decided to try drumsticks from 5 fast food restaurants that I have access to in Canada. And as you can see, this is Jollibee. I'm only trying their drumsticks, okay? That's it. And I did not order spicy. I ordered regular. So this is Jollibee. This is Church's chicken, which I don't think is one of my favorite, but I'm gonna compare the tastes of the different drumsticks from the different restaurants. And I know Mary Brown I love. Yeah, Mary Brown. So Mary Brown, Jollibee, Church's, and this, KFC that I used to enjoy when I was much younger, but I'm not sure about now. Well, they say the one in Jamaica is better, but so far, my favorite chicken is Mary Brown. Jollibee's not bad, and I'm not sure about Church's, but let's try these drumstick to see, what I think about it. And this is Popeyes. Okay. So the first one I'm gonna try is Jollibee, Church's, KFC, Mary Brown, and Popeyes. So guys, I'm gonna this is the Jollibee's packaging. There it is. The first place I stopped was Jollibee. And when I asked for a drumstick, Jollibee gave me gravy. I did not ask for gravy, but they gave me gravy. Okay. And their customer service is not bad. They gave me napkins with fork and spoon. And this is their packaging. Okay, let me put this over here. And then the second place I stopped was Mary Brown. Yeah, that's Mary Brown's packaging. Jollibee's. So I got some ketchups, guys. I got napkins, fork, and that's Mary Brown's packaging. Yeah, I got napkin, fork, and some ketchups from Mary Brown. And then the third place I stopped was where Church's. Yeah, Church's. So Church's, that's their packaging, but guys, I never liked the way the guy handed it to me. I asked for a drumstick, and he only put it in this. I'm like, what about the Church's, packaging? Like, this is what he gave it to me, gave to me. So I wasn't too happy with customer service, but I had to ask for this packaging, and that's Church. And then I stopped at Popeyes after. Packaging. And then last, I stopped at KFC. Okay, and everybody knows KFC's packaging. And I got ketchups. Okay, so now I'm gonna taste these. Okay. Okay guys, so close up, I stopped first at Jollibee, and I'm giving a close up of their chicken. Okay, and that's their packaging, and they gave me gravy. And then second, I went to, what did I say, Mary Brown after, and that's Mary Brown's chicken. That's their packaging. And then I stopped at Church's. Yeah. And that's Church's chicken. I'm gonna taste it after. That's the packaging. And then I stopped at Popeyes. Okay, you know they're always crispy on their chicken. On the outside, and this is KFC that everybody goes crazy about. Maybe way back then I would go crazy about it, but not now. Okay guys, now to taste the chicken, huh? To give you my opinion. Okay, so first I stopped at Jollibee, so Jollibee go first. And Jollibee guys, I learned about them just like a couple weeks ago. Jollibee, I get to understand they're Filipino owned, and there are several like openings in the US, I guess. In the US they have breakfast, right? But in Canada they don't. Their Jollibee is open from 7 o'clock in the morning, guys, right? I like their sides. They're run by Philippines, and their side orders is like noodle and rice, which is good. Like fast food restaurants in Canada, you don't get rice. So anyway, but all I ordered was drumsticks from these fast food, and they gave me gravy. I didn't ask for gravy, but they gave me gravy. Okay, so but I'm just gonna give you my opinion, not with the gravy, just on the chicken itself. I'm not even gonna put ketchup on them. And that's Jollibee. There it is. Okay, let me back into this. Good. Mm-hmm. Okay. It's a little gravy. Your chicken is good. I think next to Mary Brown, I like Jollibee's chicken. Okay guys, I'm not gonna fool myself with I can't eat off like all this because I won't be able to try the others. Yeah, I like I'm giving you my opinion without the gravy, okay? Or ketchup. Mm-hmm. Chicken taste is good, Jollibee. So let me second I went to Mary Brown. And that's Mary Brown. I like their skin. There's not too much skin on it on their drumstick. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mary Brown is in first place. I've always loved Mary Brown, and I won't taste it anymore for now because I know I don't have to second bite to guess it's Mary Brown. So Mary Brown is in first place, Jollibee is in second. Okay. And third I went to Church's. That's your packaging, and the guy didn't even give me a Church's packaging. He gave me a plain packaging like for just one piece. I'm like, I'm gonna put it on my video. I don't even think he heard, but okay. And that's their appearance of the chicken. Okay, let me bite this. Okay, the chicken's not bad from Church's. Not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay. So I would say Church is in third place then. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below, okay? Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and here's my sparkling wine because I need something to wash it down with. This is non-alcohol, okay? Then I went to Popeyes, and you know Popeyes, their coating is like I think it's just a bit too much. It absorbs too much of the oil, the way Popeye does there. I mean, it looks good, but you know, the appearance, but eating then, I'm not sure about. Okay, let me bite into Popeye's. Here, or the skin. I pull it off because I think there's too much oil absorbed in this. Too much coming off. But the chicken itself is good also. Okay. I suppose sometimes, guys, when you buy these things and they're very hot, then you're getting a different taste. But the skin is why I probably would put it in third place. There's too much coating on. But the meat itself is good. Okay. And then I went to lastly, I went to KFC that I had growing up in Jamaica. This was all I knew about in Jamaica, KFC. And I love KFC way back then, but I don't think KFC is the same as you know, way back then when I was a child. I don't really find it to, I don't know. Okay. Well, without the skin, guys, I grade them with the skin, right? Okay, there's not too much skin on Mayor Brown, so which is why I gave Mayor Brown first. And then the second is either Church's or Jollibee. Okay? Second goes to either Church's or maybe there's a tie. Or Jollibee. But Jollibee, as I said, you can get rice there. You can get rice or noodle. Okay, one day I'm gonna try for you to see. Yeah, and then I would say Popeye then is in third and KFC is last. But without the skin, KFC is okay. It's okay. And you see when chicken look like this, guys, a bit battered. I don't like to eat it. Some people say it's dark meat, but I don't know if it's dark meat or it's just battered. I don't like dark meat. Okay, why is it one part of it looking dark and the other part looking white? Okay. Okay. So guys, I wanted to do this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, okay, and let me know if you've had any of these or which one you've never had before, and you know, which one is your favorite, which one do you enjoy. I'm grading it from the skin, right, from the outer part, just biting it, because the first thing you bite in is the skin. And Jollibee gives you gravy. Here's gravy. Its gravy tastes good. Tastes like soup. But guys, Jollibee has a pineapple juice. It's so good, so good, and their noodle is good. Their rice, everything. They're not bad. I learned about them the other day. I saw them. But one day I'll try for you to see. Okay. Their gravy tastes so much like soup. Okay, guys. So thanks for joining me in another video, and I'll see you in the next one. So, in order, guys, I first tried Jollibee chicken. And that's what's left of it. See, on the inside, I think it could be done a bit more, but you know, it's okay. It's cooked, which is why I gave it a tie with Church's. And then second, I tried Mayor Brown, but yeah, the inside of Jollibee, I think they can, you know, make it done more. I don't like, or maybe it's just the meat itself. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But first place is Mary Brown. You know, and I grate it from the skin outside. And then I had the third place. Third, I went to Churches, and Churches. Yeah, I gave Church a tie with Jollibee because Churches inside. Churches. I would say Church. Okay, first is Mary Brown. Second, Churches. Yeah. Third, Jollibee. Fourth, yeah. Third is, yeah. So Church is second. Mary Brown is first. Church is second. Even though I said I graded it from the skin. Church is second. Jollibee, if it's on the inside, then Jollibee I would say is last on the inside. But biting from the skin on the outside, then yeah. So Jollibee is last place then in terms of on the inside, but biting on the outside of the skin, Mary Brown first. And I would say, yeah, give Church and then Church and Jollibee third. Second. And then third, I would say, yeah, Popeyes. Inside done, perfect, but from the outer. And then lastly, KFC, because there are days, guys, KFC just don't taste good. There are days that KFC on the inside is looking like, you know, the way Jollibee cooks on the inside. I don't like the pinkness. Can you tell? Like, I'm not being biased. Look at Mary Brown's. It's white. And Church's is perfect on the inside. So, yeah, my grading is on the inside from the out. Well, you bite on the outer part first. So, my grading is from the outer part. Then you get it on the inside, right? So, if it's from the outer part, then get it on the inside. Mary Brown comes first. Churches come second. I don't want to confuse you. Churches come second. And, sometimes I find a problem with Popeyes too. But for some reason today, KFC is done properly. So first is Mary Brown, second Churches, third Popeyes, fourth KFC then, and Jollibee I give last because of the inside. And that's it for this video, guys, and see you in the next one.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.